Welcome back to another lecture with Coding with Roby. In today's lecture, we'll be installing an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. Now for installing IDEs, this is going to be both for Mac and Windows. There is slightly a small difference between the two, but overall they are extremely similar. An IDE is where you'll be writing the Python code. IDEs give you the ability to debug, structure your code, and get errors and reports. There are many different IDEs you can pick from, and some of the most popular are Atom, Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, and PyCharm. For this course, we'll be using PyCharm. So once you go to jetbrains.com/PyCharm, the first thing you want to do is click the Downloads button. And from here, there's a professional version which you have to pay for and a community version that's free. I will click the community version. It's a fairly big installation, so it may take a while due to your internet speed. I'll click the downloadable option. For Macs will have to slide the PyCharm Community Edition over into their Applications folder. Windows users will not have to do this. Once the application is installed on your computer, let's open it up. Again, for Macs, we have to do an extra step of allowing it to open. When you open up PyCharm for the first time, you may get a blank slate. So I'll create a new project. So I'll go up to File, New Project, and I'll name my project Python Project. Then I'll click Create, and I'll click this window. Right now it's setting up my project. And it opens up with some folders and files. So immediately we'll see the main.py file. I typically delete the main.py file and create my own starting file. So we can right click on main.py and click the delete button. And then press OK. And now within my Python projects, I'll click Create New File. My first file will be called Python Basics.py. Once you open up the file, you can type in print, parentheses, single quotes, hello Eric, and then right click Run Python Basics. And it'll print to the terminal, hello Eric. If you want to organize your files a little bit more, you can right click Python Projects and click Directory. Create a directory called Lecture 1. Right click on the directory or folder and click New Python file. I'll name this Python file called lecture1.py. Inside lecture1.py, I'll add a print statement, open parentheses, and inside I'll type in 2 plus 2. If we right click and run lecture 1, we'll get 4 printed to the terminal. Another way we can run applications is over here on the right hand side. We can select the file we want to run and then click the green arrow on the right, which is another way of running the application. This concludes installing the integrated development environment, and I'll see you in the next lecture.